morning. Got the milk delivery here.
Okay, let me see the paperwork. Everything seems to be in order.
The mix is pumped through a homogenizer at high pressure. This breaks down the fat globules in the milk to micro.
The pasteurized mix is stored in large, jacketed cooling tanks for 4 to 24 hours.
The liquid mix enters the continuous freezer barrel. This is the heart of the factory. Inside,
The soft ice cream bars enter a massive blast freezer tunnel. Cold vapor rolls out. This huge heated tanks hold molten chocolate coating. A mixer keeps it smooth. The aroma of chocolate
Metal molds are filled with liquid ice cream mix. This is a different technique than extrusion. The molds are submerged in a freezing brine solution.
the molds travel through a tank of salty tea brine at -40°C. The liquid mix.
Before the ice cream is fully frozen, sticks are inserted into the semi-solid center.
These knees molded bar dipped into a fruit juice shell, Solero style. The hot, flat wafers are mechanically rolled into a cone shape while still pliable. They cool and harden instantly.
The inside of the waffle cone is sprayed with a layer of chocolate. This acts as a barrier so the ice cream doesn't make the cone soggy.
Cardboard lids are pressed onto the top of the cones.
The paper edges are crimped over the rim. The
The sandwiches are quickly wrapped in paper or foil. They must be handled gently. The factory keeps this room.
This ensures no machinery parts are in the ice cream or milk mix.
How is the viscosity looking right now?
It seems good. The swirl is holding up well during the churn.
This simple joy is the end result of the complex engineering in the ice cream factory.